How to add Python to Path, the fast and easy way. If you already have Python installed, you should get something like this when typing Python in your command prompt. But if you get this error instead, it is most likely because Python was not added to Path. Don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly solve this problem. If you don't have Python installed yet, check out my video on how to install Python on your computer in 5 minutes. Let's add Python to Path. First, right-click on this PC and select Properties. On the right side, select Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, under the tab Advanced, click on Environment Variables. Alternatively, you can access these settings by opening CMD and typing the following command. Choose the variable named path and click on Edit. Here we have to add the Python installation path. You can find the installation path of Python as follows. Click on Start and search for python.exe. Then, select the Open File Location option to open the related folder. As a result, you will be navigated towards the directory where Python is installed. Copy the path and return to the Edit Environment Variable window and click New. Paste the path and click OK to close the window. Click OK again. You have now successfully added Python to Path and should be able to call Python directly from CMD. We test this by writing Python --version in the command prompt and confirming with Enter. If the installed Python version is now displayed, like in this example, Python 3.11.2, we have done everything right. Let's briefly summarize what we did. We located the installation path of Python. Then, we added it to the path environment variable. Finally, we tested whether Python is now executable via CMD by using the command Python. If this quick and easy tutorial was helpful to you, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful and fun Python tutorials. Until next time.